Well, number 2 asks the same thing as number 1, express in terms of I. On my homework, they give me negative square root of negative 4. So the most common mistake is to bring that negative inside. You can't do that. You can't do that with radicals. So what you need to do is reduce this thing of the radical expression. So what that looks like is if we just have the square root of negative 4, well, the square root of negative 4 is 2i. So we still have this negative out front, okay? But what I just changed is the square root. I'll change it to a different color here. What I just changed is the square root of negative 4. So the rule is if you have a negative underneath the radical, that's where the I comes from, okay? And then the square root of 4 is where the 2 came from, obviously. So I would recommend you just look at the radical part first and then deal with the signs. And again, my math lab, and this is true for a lot of textbooks as well, they're going to want you to write it like this in what they call standard form for complex numbers, which is also true, when you take more math later on, you have to write your answer in that form. So that's number 2.